Woo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. You can see fairly cold out, so today isn't about repairs or nothing like that. I'm kind of doing some preparation for some of the future videos that I'm going to be making, so I thought it'd be maybe fun to drag you guys along if you kind of want to see what happens in between the scenes. I've got one truck to wash because it's salty and it's cool down now, so in Canada when it cools down you wash the vehicle so that it doesn't get salty again, okay? I know it doesn't make any sense, but we got to do that. I bought a little heater for my new garage. No, heater for my garage. The heater's new, not the garage, but anyway, I've got to get some propane for that, so we're gonna run and do a quick stop there and wash the truck, get the propane, and then I'm gonna clean the garage out a little bit. Got some junk in there we gotta move out. So I don't know if you guys are interested, but if you want to tag along and see what a day in my life looks like, running around doing a few errands, that's what we're gonna be up to. So here we go. I got one layer of salt off anyway. A little wipe down at the chrome. Karma for making fun of hitting birds. I guess it's my dent. Just gonna wipe down the doors. If we don't wipe it down, she freezes shut. No fun trying to thaw doors out. Never used one of these heaters before. I'm genuinely interested to see how it works out. Hopefully it don't explode. Operator's manual. Garbage guard. Unit there. I think it says something about professionally hooked up, but whatever. Ta-da! Check it out. Hot. Glad they cleared that one up. Now, stick a little bit of Teflon tape around here. There we go. Definitely not very late at all. Idiot. Come on. Yeah, it looks like my first day, I know that. Get out the magic wrench. Okay, there we go. Do not remove this label. Decal on heater. Keep away from combustibles. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, they're pretty serious about this one. Come on, tighten up. Eek. 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 There we go. Yeah, I think that's... Well... There you go. Yes. Woo! That's the fire. Got some heat there, there's no doubt. I think it's noisy. So my plan kind of is just to get my garage, like it's just such a mess from doing other projects, and I've got a whole bunch of parts that are coming on order for Emery's Acadia, so that means we got to put a bunch of stuff back into that thing. I know, right? And so yeah, we're gonna do that, but basically try and clean it up. I'm gonna make a pile at the end of the garage. I'm gonna try and let the garage warm up a little bit, see how that heater does, and then we're just gonna dump. I brought the green truck back there so we could just dump that sucker in there, and then yeah, that's kind of all the projects I wanted to get accomplished today anyway. But this heater thing, that's pretty sweet. It's got lots of heating power, so we'll see how that goes. See if we can get it warm enough. My problem is I don't have enough insulation in my garage. See all that up there? I got some insulation I started on this side already. But kind of one of my hopes of my projects through the winter is just to keep insulating a little bit. The walls, they drywalled them, but they didn't insulate them, so I don't know why you'd do that, but they did. Basically, if we can get the gable end and the ceiling insulated, I think I'm just going to try and run bats all the way through the ceiling. At least then, you know, your heat's up there. Hopefully we can get my fan going, then you can kind of suck it down and circulate it, so it should warm it up better. I don't know. I can feel it's warming up in here already. Right. Okay, so I'm trying to decide when we do these mats here. You know, when you get the snow and stuff dripping off the bottom of the vehicle, sometimes it's just nice to lay something underneath all of that. So, thinking that's what we're going to do there. And this whole garbage sort of mess here with all this garbage here is a great reason for why you need to consistently be doing some clean out all the time, because otherwise you end up with a pile like this. So we got to clean that up yet. My heater here, pretty happy with that. I mean, probably better if it had a little bit more exhaust in here or something, because turn it off for a little while anyway, get some fresh air. But yeah, it certainly takes the edge off in here. And if we ever get the ceiling insulated, I think it'll be a lot, I think it'll be even better yet, because it'll actually, like, the heat will stay where it's just evaporating right now. So yeah, we're just going to load this back into the truck, and I think that'll be kind of enough for today anyway. had to hang up, fell off. Okay, it's gonna stay there. But yeah, anyway, we got a whole load of garbage now. Ready to take this to the dump. And yeah, that's kind of the way it looks in my life anyway. Some of the things a guy does in between the scenes. Try and keep everything half decent so that when we're making a video, we're ready to go. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm going to be. I got some parts to drop off here in the garage for the next project. We're going to work on the Acadia later this week. If you want to see that, or if you appreciate content like this, or maybe it helps you sort out your own garage time, or makes you feel like you're not the only guy in the world that can't get organized, hit the subscribe button, follow along. Let me know what you think, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Take care, have a great day.